Okay, now that you're done with the three boxes on this same piece of paper for the 1-point linear perspective, let's do some more labeling before I forget to tell you to do it. At the bottom, I want you to put your full name. Print it so I can read it, please. Period number. I'm just going to say 5 since I don't have a fifth period. So your name, your period number, 0, 1, 2, or 4. Which one are you in? And 1-point perspective, 1-POINT, linear perspective, LINEAR, perspective. All of these directions are on the handout too. I'm sorry, on the direction sheet at Canvas. All right, so 1-point linear perspective. They're all labeled otherwise. Now you're going to use the side edge of your pencil to shade in faces that are facing away from the light source. Let's have the light source coming from the upper right-hand corner. That means that this face and this face are probably going to stay white. This one's getting a little less light because it's facing away from it. This one might get a little bit more light than that one because it's facing toward us, not the light source. So this one, and this one are going to stay the same lightness, but these are going to be the white paper. So leave them white, and just with your pencil on its edge, you're going to put in a nice even value for this face. Don't let it get too dark. And remember, you can make it darker by just going different directions, layering the graphite on top of itself to make it darker. So we're leaving the top face white. Light source is hitting that one more strongly. Less strong here, so it's a little bit darker. Go right up to your outlines on all 4 sides. And because it's a flat surface, it's one flat even value. It doesn't go from dark like I've got it here to lighter. So we want to make sure that it's one nice even value. If we don't do that, we do something that's more stylized and less realistic. You might see that in a lot of graffiti work where they darken in the 4 corners or 2 of the 4 corners, or they gradually change from one corner to another corner. It's not true. Make it one flat even value. This value is going to be darker than this one. So we'll do it the same way. We'll get it to the same darkness, corner to corner, side to side, and then we're going to make it even darker on this face. Not too dark though, because we want it to still look like a white object. It's just getting less light on this face that's facing away, farthest directly away from the light source. So it goes right up to the outlines that you drew. Try to stay inside your lines, otherwise you're going to be erasing. So it's lighter here, a little less light, and a lot less light. We're same thing here, less lighter, less light. So we're going to make it the same darkness on this face as it is there. This will be the same as this one and that one, and this one will be a little bit darker than that, but not as dark as that. All right, so that's your next step. I'll show you what to do with it in the last video.